Very good evening to everyone. My name is Kulbir Kaur and here I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about being a nice is okay, but being a too nice, it can make people take advantage of you. Okay, so as you know, if you are new, you can also listen. Otherwise, if my viewers, if you are one of my viewers, then you know I have been posting videos on my YouTube channel related to English. Okay, on the daily basis, I'm trying to help you. I show you methods how you can improve, how you can speak English. Okay, so if you are one of them who wants to improve your communication skill, this is for you. Okay, because one thing I would like to mention, I'm not fond of reading, I'm not fond of watching English movie to improve my communication skill, but I have improved. Okay, just listening and watching podcast and trying to uh, express after watching videos, I always try to capture myself on the basis of few points, what they were talking, what they were discussing in that video. I try to implement while I was speaking. I try to express my thoughts basically about that particular point. Okay, so from last night I was watching a video. In that video, the speaker was talking about being a nice is okay, but being a too nice, it's not okay for us. Okay, so let's start with the video and discuss first thing, who is nice. Okay, so nice person always over explain things. Okay, and they run away, they always run away difficult conversation, and they delay difficult conversation, they run away. Okay, and they say yes even they are feeling no, they say yes. Yes, it's for you. If you are saying yes, even you are feeling no, but you are saying yes. Okay, so this video is for you. Okay, so if you are doing these kind of things, that means you are doing wrong with yourself. Okay, that means you are giving a reins of your life in others' hand. No one doing anything, no one force you to do this, but you are doing consciously and subconsciously, because your mind saying something else, but your words saying something else. Okay, so if you are doing this, that means you trains other on how you treat you. Okay, and no one taken reign of your life from you are handed over your reins of life on others' hand, consciously or subconsciously. Okay, so don't be too nice. If you are feeling no, then say straightforward, say no. Now at this point, self-respect comes into the picture. Okay, self-respect creates discomfort. Okay, if you are self-respecting, okay, there is always a risk of disapproval. Why? Because you will be saying no to others that they would want you to say yes to. Okay, so for this, for saying no, you require inner clarity more than external validation. Okay, so learn how to say no. Okay, so here one of the vital thing is inner clarity. here I would like to mention one more thing, that is sometimes some people suffering, they think how we can make people respect me. The answer is very simple. Respect yourself first. Only then they will respect you. Okay. So why I'm talking about this? Why I'm saying like this? Because what happened here? One more thing, alignment. Because of alignment of four aspects of life. First one is your thoughts, thinking, and your tone, your words and actions. Okay, from these four aspects, one power comes in our life. Okay, so that power give us motivation and give others. It define these four aspects, define our boundaries, what we want to listen. Okay, sometimes people comes and say anything to us because they know I wouldn't be reply anything. That's why they say anything. Because you don't do anything. These kind of mistakes don't do. If you are feeling no, then say no. Okay. So alignment comes to alignment. First thing is your thinking, your thoughts, your words, your tone, and fourth one is your action. Okay, for example, I want to be fit. I want to be fit person, but I'm eating junk food all the time. My thoughts and my words are not aligned. And I want to be calm, but I always shouting on others. So what I'm doing, my words and my thinking, my thoughts, action are not aligned. Okay, so alignment is one of the most aspect of the life. Okay, if you don't have an alignment in your life, if you don't have alignment in your life, neither you will respect yourself nor people. Okay, so if you are not, you can't, you are not respect, you don't respect yourself, then how you can expect from others? You can't expect from others. Okay, so the thing is, if your words and if you're thinking, your thoughts and tone and your actions are mismatched, okay, then this mismatch happening within you, happening within your boundaries. No one can feel, no one can see it, but other people can feel it. They can judge you. You're saying something else, but your mind, your thought process is going on in another way. Okay, so if they catch, if they feel that mismatch, that means they can command you, they can control you, and you are giving them that control. Okay, by your action, by your words, because they know if they will do something wrong for you, you will not respond. That's why they are doing something, these kind of things. Okay, and that mismatch indicates them. You are such kind of person. That's why they are doing such kind of things with you. And if you are brave and if you have a dare to respond them, then they don't do anything. Okay, so if your thoughts, your actions, your words, and your tone align, that means you are doing appropriate things for you. Okay, so few important factor of aligned person, if the person is aligned, okay, so they don't say yes while they feeling no, and they don't over justify things, and they don't interrupt in the middle of sentences. You can scrutinize, you can implement these kind of things also in your life, and you can also just scrutinize, you can also validate this aspect in others life. When you are interacting with others, at that time you can analyze, you can like implement these kind of approaches. Okay, the first thing is try to implement in your life. After that you can transform the world. If you want to change in the world, just try to start from yourself. Okay, so being a nice, it's okay, but being a too nice, it can be damage you, damaging you. Okay, so just focus on yourself, focus on your work, and that's it. Okay, so that's all for this video. As you know, the purpose is just speaking practice. The way why I'm doing, you can also do, because I'm not fond of reading and watching movies. This is the way I use to practice. Whatever I feel captivating for me, I try to express my thoughts, feelings, and try to capture my videos and posting on YouTube just for you, so that you can learn also and you can also practice on the daily basis. Okay, if you want to improve your communication, just need to put efforts every day, every single day. That is 1%, only 1%. Okay, so if you are passionate to English, passionate for English language, just efforts. It demands efforts. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel video is really helpful for you, then stay connected and keep learning and keep growing. One thing I would like to mention, I just try to express my feelings, and uh, I just try to resonate my feelings with that video. Okay, if it is understandable, entirely understandable for you, write down in the comment section, because it gives me motivation to upload, to post more videos for you. Okay, and if you feel video is really helpful for you guys, also helpful for me, if feel for you, then write down in the comment section. And if you want to cover any topic related to English, you can also write down in the comment section. Okay, so bye bye.